So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the two different off-campus drives which are going to happen in December 2022 or earlier January 2023. So first one is about the Nokia and they're hiring for software developer, and second one is for the JP Morgan. So both are like big brands. So we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria and application process and all. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and about the preparation guides, so and so. And also I just quickly wanted to discuss about one of the platform or job providing platform, whose name is Reliable by Unacademy. So I have discussed about this platform few times before in my previous videos, but this is especially for the people those who are new to this platform or like new to this our channel. So it's absolutely free of cost. Here this is actually newly established or last year only they launched this like website or platform. So through this platform, like many people has been like placed freshers to the experienced people like in various companies, Swiggy, Xiaomi and Yellow AI and other large companies. And also they have provided more than 1500 plus offer letters till date. And it's like it's very good platform because it's absolutely free. You have to book the slot. You can see here you can book the slot, and based on your availability you can attend for various tests or for various profiles. So like business test, like business development, business analytics test, and the technical profiles are also there, front end development, back end development, data analytics, so and so. So there n number of profiles are available and n number of like tests are available. Based on your interest or expertise, you can attend the test and you can attend n number of interviews as well. It's totally free of cost. And also there are many courses are available based on your test, so it's not mandatory. So if you are willing to take up some courses and prepare well before attending the test, you can prepare and you can register for the different courses, right? And I just quickly wanted to show you their Twitter page. So here they generally post many about the success stories or the reliable achiever stories. Here you can see these are the like candidates, and I just wanted to show you one thing. So these are the like reliable scores. The total mark is 1000, and if you see they have scored 50 percentage. And again around 55 percentage, 53 percentage, so like this 56 percentage. So it is not required that you have to score 80 percentage or 90 percentage, right? So you can score 50 percentage or 60 percentage, then also like you can get placed. So it's up to the company and also up to the requirement, but it is not mandatory or mandatory that you have to score very high for to get placed in various companies. So it's a very good thing actually. Like if you are scoring less, also you have the probability to be like placed in good companies. So if you are interested, then you can click on the login then or register, then you can apply or register for any profiles or test, right? So now let's discuss. So Nokia is hiring for the position of software developer, and totally there are 3 locations available: Chennai, Noida and Bangalore. Based on your interest, you can join. And this is about the position ID. So if you are approaching to any Nokia employee, then ask them to refer you for this position for the reference, or you may get more preferences. So now let's discuss about the skills and expertise or experience. So mainly software development knowledge in like any of these programming languages, C, C++, Python or shell scripting, agile or DevOps knowledge you must be having, because any software development if you are doing, you must be having you must need to follow all these things like either agile or DevOps. These things you need to follow because these are the like cycles. And BTech, CSE or MCA is mandatory, and knowledge in OOPS concept it's very much needed while developing any like software or something. SDLC operating system programming skill in at least one programming language. It is not mandatory that you must be knowing like at least 2 or 3 programming languages. You can either know Python or Java or C++, etc., because all are like correlated. So high level understanding mobile communication network across generation 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G, like what are the difference and all, right? And these are the like requirements. So if you ask me about the experience, so they're hiring for the entry level people. So that means the people those who are having 0 years of experience also can apply, because this is for the applied R&D. So basically they are hiring for the very entry level position it is, right? So the position ID is this one, the link is this one, you can check in the description. So now let's move to the next position. So the JP Morgan is hiring for the software engineer position. So it's for the Mumbai location, and application ends on 15th December 2022. That means we have enough time to apply. And so now let's discuss about the requirements. BS, BA, BA degree or any equivalent profile, and data structure is mandatory. So basically in the exam for JP Morgan you will be getting more like data structure questions for both of the profiles in the written test, and advanced knowledge in architecture and design across all the systems, proficiency in multiple modern programming languages like Python and Java and JS, Node.js, etc., right? And so these are the things, and it is again for the entry level position. That means if you don't have any experience, still it's fine, you can apply. And if you ask me about the batch 2022 and 2023, candidates can also apply for this position, because this is the entry level position, right? So you can click on the apply now button here, then you can apply. I have already registered, like logged in, so that's why it is not asking me to the register. And then it will after clicking it will redirect you to the to their career page. So it may like get expired when you are like watching this video. So you can go through the like some relevant profiles or related profiles, and if you are seeing that it is applicable to you, and you can apply, then you can apply, right? So I'll be putting these 2 links in the description of this video, so that you will be able to apply for these 2 positions, right? So if you have any doubt regarding this these 2 off campus, please let me know in the comment section, and also please share these 2 links with your friends, those who are badly need any job right now. So let's help each other. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next off campus video.